Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we take a look at Jeff Koinange, the Kenyan journalist whose booming voice and global reporting made him a household name. But after decades in the spotlight, where is he now? Let's find out. Jeff Koinange was born on the 7th of January, 1966, in Kenya. He studied in the United States, earning a degree in broadcast journalism from New York University after attending Kingsborough Community College. He later worked for major international outlets including Reuters and CNN, where he covered Africa-wide stories and won awards for his work. Returning to Kenya, he hosted several popular TV programs such as The Bench and launched the talk show format with Jeff Koinange Live, JKL, which became one of the country's most influential current affairs shows. Where is Jeff Koinange now? As of now, Jeff Koinange remains a media figure in Kenya. However, his absence from his namesake show JKL on Citizen TV has raised considerable speculation. The show continues to air under his brand even though other hosts have filled in, as he is not currently appearing on screen. In a short social media appearance in late October 2025, Jeff reassured viewers that he is doing well and promised a return soon, but he did not specify his broadcast timetable or next steps. His radio work on Hot 96 FM continues to be referenced by colleagues, and he has previously stated that he anticipates transitioning away from daily television within the next decade in order to return to the roots and possibly pursue projects such as farming and writing. Currently based in Kenya, Jeff appears to be taking time off from his regular television schedule while staying engaged with his personal interests and brand. He has not officially announced full retirement or a definitive exit from broadcasting. Instead, his focus appears to be shifting toward longer-term ventures outside of daily news hosting. According to him, once he retires from regular hosting, he intends to spend more time with family, pursue writing, and explore other interests aligned with his long-term goals. Jeff Koinange has built a remarkable career, from international correspondent to Kenyan talk show pioneer. Now, he stands at a crossroads, still influential, still respected, but pivoting toward a new chapter. Whether he returns to daily television or channels his energy into new projects, his legacy in journalism is secure. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Where Are They Now stories.